Hi, in this video you're gonna learn how to create a money-making blog website through WordPress, and we will not use any premium theme or any paid plugins. You can create this website for absolutely free, which means that every resource used in this video will be free. And don't worry if you don't have knowledge about coding, because we don't need coding for this website as well. Now you can make money online through this website by many methods. For example, you can enable Google AdSense, you can display third-party ads on this website. You can also promote products, and you can do affiliate marketing through this website as well. So let me show you the demo website that we're gonna create in this video. So as you can see, we have a top header with some useful links and social icons, and we have a search bar which look like this. And this is our main header, which include a logo, and obviously we will display our own logo here. We have the main menu with a call to action, and we have our blog post over here. So this is the first look, and this is the second one, and again we have that look again, and this is the trending now section. So you can display many blogs that are in trending over here. So for example, someone want to know more, then they can scroll this. So basically this is a slider, as you can see. Again we have the footer tab, which have the social links and the links again, and this is our main footer. So you will see how we can do this one by one. And if I scroll up, we have the sidebar as well, which have the posts along with the search, categories, and here you can display ads or anything about yourself. Now let's check a single blog post. So if I click over here, then this is our single blog post with the header image and the title. This is the author, date, and the category, and this is how a single blog post will look. Now you can also customize this look if you want. You can also display the sidebar on this page. Again we have the social share links, so if someone like this, then they can share this on their social profile. And this is a link to previous post, and obviously we will get a next also. So let's go back, and this is the previous post. As you can see, the look is the same, and now we have the next button also. And these are the related blog posts, and if someone wants, they can leave a reply like a comment. Again we have the trending and the footer section. Now you can also add multiple pages like about, contact, and so on. And we will also see how we can add privacy policy, terms and condition pages. So this is the about me page, and if I scroll down, we have an image and we have these icons, the counters, and so on. This is the theme, and this is a really cool theme which provides us everything in free. Let's check the contact page. And we have our address, email address, and phone number, and this is a simple contact form, so you can change this as well. Let's check the video, and this will open the video in a pop-up window, which also really cool in this theme. Now you can display this video everywhere on your website. So this was the website that we're gonna create in this video. I really like the homepage layout, which is very suitable for a blog website. So let's see how we can create this website. And now for creating any website, you will need two things, which is domain and hosting. So basically domain is your website name. For example, we have Google, so its domain name is google.com. And for Facebook, we have facebook.com. So basically these are the domain names, and hosting is just a storage where your website files will be stored. So you need these two things for running a website. And for getting the domain and hosting, I would suggest hostinger.com, where you can get a very cheap hosting with a free domain. And I will provide a link in the description which will give you more discounts, so make sure you visit that link and you will be redirected to this page. Now once you are on this page, you will have to go to hosting, and here you can choose the hosting according to your need. And as we are creating the WordPress website, so we will choose WordPress hosting. So just click here, and as you can see, everything you need for a WordPress hosting. So we will buy a WordPress hosting along with the free domain. Now if I scroll down, then the packages are very cheap as well. As you can see, the pricing over here is $2 per month, $3 per month, and so on. and this is 80% off, so make sure you visit the link in the description. And you can choose a plan according to your need. For example, here you can host one website, here you can host 100 websites, and so on. This is 30 GB of SSD storage. We have 100 GB of storage over here, and the SSD storage is much faster than the other storage. And here, as you can see, we have free SSL included, which means that we will get this lock icon on our website, which make our website secure and trustworthy. Now we also have a free domain here on these plans. So if you select any of these plans, then you will get a free domain with the hosting. So once you decide any of the packages, then just click on select. And this will take you to the cart page. Now here you can buy this domain for 1 month, 12 months, 24, and so on. So for the more time you buy this domain, you will get the more discount. And here, as you can see, if you choose 48 months, then you can save up to $576. And here the subtotal for 48 months is just $143, which is very cheap as compared to other hosting. So once you select any of these, then you can scroll down, select your payment method, and pay for this hosting. I will also try to provide a coupon code which will give you more discounts, so make sure to check the description of this video. And as you can see, we have selected WordPress starter plan. We have the free SSL, free domain, and so on. The discount is 80%. So once you buy this, then this will take you to a page where you can select your domain. Just type the domain name you want for your website, and there you can take that domain for free. And once you buy the domain and hosting, then you will have to install WordPress on that hosting. Now installing WordPress is very easy, so let me log into my account. So after buying the domain and hosting, you will have to log into the cPanel. And this is how your cPanel will look like. Now you will get your hosting name over here, which is your primary domain. So just click on manage. And this is the control panel where you can install WordPress, you can create subdomains, you can access your database, and so on. So for installing WordPress, you will have to scroll down and click on auto installer. And here you can install the apps that you want, for example Joomla, WordPress, and so on. And obviously we are going with WordPress, so we will select WordPress. And here you can install WordPress on your domain, so just select your domain name here, and you can leave this field as empty. And here write a username and password for your WordPress login, write your email and a website title, then you can scroll down and click on install. And that's it. That is how you can install WordPress on your domain. So once you install WordPress, then this will take you to the dashboard of WordPress. So this is the dashboard in which we will create that website. And for creating that website, we will use a free theme, and every plugin related to that theme will be free. So for installing that theme, you just need to go to Appearance and Themes. And here, as you can see, we have the 2021 default WordPress theme. So just click on Add New. And here we will search for Blocksy, and you will get this theme. So just install this, and this is the theme that we're gonna use for creating that website. Now activate the theme, and as you can see, new theme activated. So once you activate this theme, you will get this pop-up in which we will have to install this Blocksy companion plugin to run this theme. So just click on install, and this will install and activate the required plugin. And basically we need plugins for adding more functionality to our website. So just install and activate this plugin. And now you can subscribe for the feature updates, but I don't want this, so I'll just click skip. And this will take you to the Blocksy theme starter page where you can import the demo data, you can install the required plugins, and so on. And the best thing here in this theme is we have multiple demos that we can import to our website for free with one click. So if I hover over here, then as you can see, this is available for Gutenberg and Brizy. So these are just the page builders, and this one is also for that. Then this one is available for Brizy and Elementor. So you can choose any of the layout that is needed. And in this video, we are going to need the Blocksy News, which is the blog website that I've showed you earlier in this video. So we will import this and we will start creating our website. Now for importing any of these demos, you will have to go back to the dashboard, and here go to starter sites, and this will show you all the demos available for this theme. As you can see, we got all the demos that I showed you are there. and as we need this one, so we will just import this one, which is the Blockly News. So for importing any of the template, just go to that and click on import, and this will suggest you to install the child theme, which is very useful. And if you made any changes to your website, then that will be in the child theme and you will not lose your changes by updating the theme. So make sure you take this and then go to next step, and it requires some plugins. So as you can see, it needs these 2 plugins, so just tick this and click next. And here, as you can see, you can import only options, widgets and content, but we'll need all of them, so just take all of these and click install. And by clean install, it means that if you have previous data on your dashboard, then this will clean that first. So just click on install and this will start importing the demo data. So wait for this, and once the import complete, then you can view your website or you can customize. So let's click view, and as you can see, we get the whole template on our website. As you can see, we have the menu, the logo, the post and so on. So that is how you can create this website in few minutes. Now you will have to customize the look according to your need. For example, you will have to write your own links here. You can change the colors of this theme. You can put your own logo, the menu and obviously the blog posts. Let me show you very quickly that how you can customize things. And basically these are the blog posts that you can customize and you can upload your own blog post. So to add new posts or customize these, then you can go to dashboard and here you can go to posts, and these are the blog posts that are displaying over here. So you can remove these and you can put your own blog post, or you can just edit these and you can change the text, the image and the content of the post. So that is how you can create this blog post website. Now obviously you will have to customize the blog post which I showed you, and for making money you can connect this website to Google AdSense, or you can display ads from other than Google AdSense, and you can also do affiliate marketing with this website. So that was very quick video about how you can create this website. So just customize the look according to your need and that's it. That is how you can create a blog website with free theme, free plugins, and make sure to visit the link in the description for getting more discount on domain and hosting. So that was it for this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.